Be strong in bed even if you are 80. Boost your energy, strengthen your immunity, and refresh your body with this powerful natural drink made with just coffee, honey, tangerine, ginger, and warm water. Let's get started. Start with 2 teaspoons of coffee. Coffee isn't just for waking up. It's rich in antioxidants and can improve brain function, boost metabolism, and even support heart health when consumed in moderation. Now add 2 teaspoons of honey. Honey is nature's sweet medicine. It's antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and great for soothing the throat and boosting your immune system. Take 1 fresh tangerine, peel it, and separate the segments. Squeeze in the juice. Tangerines are loaded with vitamin C, which strengthens your immune system, promotes glowing skin, and helps fight infections. Now, cut a small piece of ginger into very tiny pieces. Ginger is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It aids digestion, eases nausea, and helps your body fight off colds. Finally, pour in some warm water, not too hot, just enough to mix everything and activate the ingredients without destroying their nutrients. Stir everything well, and your healthy, energizing drink is ready. It's perfect in the morning or as a midday pick-me-up. Here's a quick recap of the benefits. Coffee boosts energy and brain function. Honey, natural immunity booster. Tangerine, rich in vitamin C for skin and immune health. Ginger, supports digestion and fights inflammation. Try this drink and feel the difference in your energy and wellness. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips.